Hello, I'm Craft Along. Welcome to the episode of Craft Along with Craft Along. In this episode, I'm making Ho-Oh. Well, I used to believe this Pokemon was called Ho-Ho for the longest time until, we're not going to talk about this. But the second Ho is actually an O, and I was like, oh, well, I feel like an idiot. Anyways, I'm just making this model just like I made Lugia. I made the templates about 2 years ago, but I wanted to make a bigger version of it so that I could make this backdrop in my room. So I was like, you know what? When I remake this, I might as well just film it, and here it is. If you want to build this model with me, you can visit the first link in the description to download templates there. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any Pokemon you mispronounce frequently. Besides that, I hope you enjoy the video. At the end of the day, this model took me about 2 hours to build. It wasn't too difficult to build. There's only 2 things I would recommend to do. First thing I would do is what I do in the video is that when gluing the head to the neck, I cut off part of the top of the neck so that there's more surface area to glue to the head. There's many other ways you can get the head to glue to the neck, but that's the way I found the easiest. The second thing I would recommend is to angle the tail in a way so the model can balance itself. That's just going to be on how you built the model, because every model is going to be a little bit different. So you're going to have to play around with that angle to get the model to stand by itself. Besides that, I got nothing else to say, and until next time, bye-bye.